She loves to eat this flower.
Okay, give me.
One for you. Ma'am, try mo, ma'am. Come on, ma'am. Ma'am, kainin mo siya.
It's already full.
Yeah, after she finishes it. This one, we call them Alexandrine parakeet.
Alexandre.
Yeah. Actually, the name was derived from...
Oh, it's full.
Dito ka, ma'am. Lapit mo, ma'am. May kinakain pa siya.
He's still eating.
Yeah. See?
Magaul, bird bark. Hello, good morning.
Mag-admission pa sila.
How much ticket?
250, sir, per head.
Okay, give us two, please. Saan para doon sa address?
Your signature. I received 500 and here's your ticket.
This is for two, right?
Can I have your ticket, please? Okay na sila. Okay, let's go. Alright, so good morning once
Good morning.
again. Welcome to Magaul Bird Park here at Chess Camp. My name is Rائع and I'll be your guide for your whole stay here, and that's approximately 2 to 3 hours. Will that be okay? Alright, and then avoid putting your fingers inside the cages whenever you see the birds, because some of the birds here, they're too exaggerated when they see people. So they're very happy when they see people, so they wanted to touch you. So don't touch them. Maybe they might bite you. Alright, any questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, what's your nationality?
I'm from Syria.
Okay, yeah. They're lovers. So as you can see, they always come up with pairs because they're monogamous. So they can only live with one partner in their whole life. Not like humans. You can check this out.
Oh, this is super nice. This
These
is
are
big one.
macaws. They're also monogamous. But then look at the eyes. They have eye patches. That is equivalent to our fingerprint.
Okay.
And they're one of the noisiest birds.
Yeah, super noisy.
Let's just keep that part because somebody's playing there. Come on. Alright, in this section, these are pigeons. Oh, this one, look at this one. Have you heard the whistle? He's the one creating that whistle. This one's the most intelligent bird. It's African gray parrot.
Okay.
Hello!
Hello.
They're under training because they can create a lot of sound. See, look at the whistle.
Hello. مرحبا. مرحبا.
They can mimic sounds.
They can talk this one, right?
Sorry?
They can talk. They can.
Yes, when you train them.
All right, all right.
Okay, look at these pigeons. They're like peacock, but then
Peacock.
Yeah, they'll just look like peacock, but then it's still pigeon. We call them funtail because look at the tail. It looks like that.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
So look at this one. We call them Elvis
Wow.
Presley.
Very nice feet.
They have feathers on their feet.
Yeah, very special. But they are not same. They are same.
No, it's a different one. Look at the head. It looks like helmet, mixed like that.
Okay.
And then we're trying to crossbreed again, and then let's see what will the baby looks like.
Okay, the husband wife.
Yes, they're couple.
Okay.
Then we have babies inside.
I came in Syria. We have like this in Syria.
Yeah, really?
This is much money like that. God. Super.
Yes.
See his wings. Is it wings? That one?
Yeah.
It's really different. Super.
Yeah, they're really
Super beautiful.
All right, let's move on.
It's only birds here, right? No other animals.
Yeah, only birds. Actually, all the birds here are just scattered around. So you can touch them if you want.
It's safety, right?
Who's
Hello.
keep on squawking because she has a lot of eggs right there, and
Ah,
then she
she's
thinks
scared.
that
Yeah,
we
she's
might
scared.
get her egg.
Yeah. She's scared to take her eggs.
Yeah. Then the pigeons. Are
Hello, pigeons.
Duguin mo ko dito mo.
I can touch them.
Yeah, if you can. But then they're
They will fly.
away.
They will fly. ليش راسها هيك؟ Why is her head very small? Like
one?
this one. The body is big,
This
but
one's-
the head.
Yeah, this one's Bengala.
Bengala, yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
or guinea fowl. And it's also albino because the original color is just like that.
First time in my life I see birds like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The original color is that. The spotted one.
All right.
And then since they lock that color, only white. Oh, it's eagle.
Give me the ball.
Oh, look, she got a lot of eggs. 2, 4, 6, 8 eggs. Oh,
Where's the
here,
eggs?
here, here. See, she
Ah.
keep on squawking.
That's why she's scared.
Yeah, she's like, look
Okay,
at
sorry,
that.
okay.
Okay, we will
Sorry.
not touch your
We will not touch your eggs. Okay.
Okay. Actually, there are also eggs around, like this one, egg of the chicken, but then unfortunately it will no longer survive because the mommy left them there.
Bad mommy.
Bad mommy, yeah. Irresponsible mommy. Behind.
Hello.
You can keep them. Just put down your hands. And they will...
Yeah, alam mo.
Go, mom! Shut! Nakainin mo, mom.
What? Okay, remove this.
Kapag yung sila yung feed, meron tayong food rito. Ang diretso na po nakagulat ang naman po. Hindi po masakit.
Tayo po kayo dyan. And then in the coastal areas.
This is eagle, right?
Yeah. Also this one.
And you know, in Dubai also like have many eagles.
Really?
They make it grow from small.
Yes.
They keep in them house to grow up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's Dubai style.
They're tame. They don't keep on flying there. Oh, have you encountered the most dangerous bird? This is it. Ma'am, ito yung most dangerous bird.
This is dangerous.
Yeah, that's what we call cassowary. It's
Hello,
from Papua
cassowary.
New Guinea. Look at the feet. They can kick so hard.
Oh.
And whenever they kick you, they will make sure that the claws will really,
Deep inside.
yes, exactly. But then you won't be able to see it's really
Yeah, it's so
dangerous.
cute.
It's still baby.
Still baby.
Yeah.
This is
It's
still
female,
baby.
Yeah, it's still a Then this is the male cassowary. This is the male deadliest bird. Look at the feet close up. See?
Yeah, it's very big.
So they really kick hard.
Yeah. See the fingers.
Yes. Look at him. The head, they're developing now the crown.
He has a
But
scratch in
still-
his neck.
Yeah, but it's still a baby. See?
He
Look
has
at the crown. It's hard as rock.
something.
And they can also grow up to half of this ostrich. Hello.
Oh my God! See. Naam.
Hello.
I can touch it.
Yeah. Me first.
Is it dangerous?
No, you can touch it. Hello, you can touch the feathers. Just be careful with the big tail. Come. And look at the feathers. That's
Yeah.
what we call molting.
Yeah.
They're actually eventually they will develop it again.
Let's just go.
And then as you can see, they have the
Hello.
largest eye of
Yeah.
all the land animals here.
The biggest eyes.
Yes, but then
Look at
their
her
brains
eyes.
are so small. It is as small as peanut.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello. Selfie. Picture ka ma'am. Yeah, at the back of the...
I'm not sure.
See that throw.
Mm-mm.
See?
Hello. Hair.
See, there's no teeth
سبحان
there.
الله. No teeth. ما في اسنان بتمها. It's nice.
Alright.
She's 8 feet.
Ostrich can go
9 feet?
Yes, up to 9 feet. And these two are both females. The male looks like this. It's black. It has pinkish beak, pinkish neck, and then pinkish feet. So naturally, as females, they just lay their eggs. But then, their eggs will not survive here because we still need the male, because the male is the one who incubates the egg. So what we do with the egg is right there. Come on, let's touch the egg. And have a picture of it.
The egg will not survive?
Because they're both females. So that's their egg.
Ah, this is the eggs.
Yeah, actually it is equivalent to 2 dozens of regular size of eggs.
Stand on
Would you like to touch it? It's heavy.
stretch egg.
Then you can have a picture.
Oh my god.
It's very heavy and it's really hard.
Dragon egg.
Alright. And then you can
Dragon
even
balls.
stand on it. So it will not survive anymore. So what we do, we just have a photo from the guest.
Yeah.
Just like that.
We can invite our whole family to eat this.
Yeah! Actually, it's edible. If you wanted to eat it hard boiled, it will take you 2 hours.
Oh
to
my God.
hard-boil. Ibus na yung gasol mo. Because it's really hard.
Yeah.
The shell is really hard. And then whenever you wanted to eat sunny side up, you will be needing a very large frying pan. Okay? Let's go with the small birds. These
Yeah,
are
this is the small.
lovebirds, yes. This is the most
Hello,
common
cutie.
birds, domesticated birds. It's
بصراحة التجربة كانت حلوة كتير وبدي أعيدها إن شاء الله. هي باصات مدارس هون بيجيبون رحل مدارس.